average worker bee lives for just 5 to 6 weeks. During this time, she'll produce around a twelfth of a teaspoon of honey. For us, it's just a drop, but for honeybee, it's whole life-saving. Honeybees are super important pollinators for flowers, fruits, and vegetables. No honeybee, no food. No food, no humans. Bees transfer pollen between the male and female parts, allowing plants to grow seeds and fruit. Honeybees live in hives or colonies. The members of the hive are divided into three types. The type 1 is, queen. One queen runs the whole hive. Her job is to lay the eggs. Worker bees. These are all female and their roles are to forage for food, build and protect the hive, clean and circulate air by beating their wings. Workers are the only bees most people ever see flying around outside the hive. Drones. These are the male bees and their purpose is to mate with the new queen. Several hundred live in each hive. Did you know they produce honey as food stores for the hive during winter? Luckily for us, these efficient little workers produce 2 to 3 times more honey than they need. If the queen bee dies, workers will create a new queen by selecting a young larva and feeding it a special food called royal jelly. Honeybees are fast flyers. They fly at a speed of around 25 km per hour and beat their wings 200 times per second. The queen can live up to 5 years. She is busiest in the summer months, when she can lay up to 2,500 eggs a day. If you like the video, please like our video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.